Hey, how is it going? Today I will show you how to make the stunt protection gel or base gel, whatever, from the powder. In case if you go to other country, it's not really reasonable for carry on like 5-10 liters gel with you, so you can take just a little bit of powder and make it on a place. So probably you'll need a scale for that. So on 1 liter of water, so be sure it's clean distilled water. Yeah. We need 15 grams, basically 12 to 14. I usually add 15 grams on 1 liter of water. And don't try to use it manually. It's just no chance you'll spend all life for it. Okay, so carbon base looks like that. Okay, so because if you put too much powder, it will be too solid and will not mix it up. All right, I don't know, can you see the process or not? So basically it comes to gel straight away. I have a big blender, so if you put a 2 liter, it will be difficult for blend it because it's get to the gel really quickly and lower part will be mixed and upper not. So it will be really complicated for mix it up. And you need to mix it really, really well for be sure it's no parts and all of the mass was mixed equally. So it might take like several minutes. So basically, you see is get the gel immediately, but still you need to spend some time for mix it up. Basically, you can help it. So basically now it's not mixed well, it's like on a small parts and it can't stick to your skin. So basically it should be like a normal solid gel, not like really liquid like a paste. So we need to blend it until it gets normal solid paste and can stick to your skin normally. Что-то он в такую херню вот стал, вот, его надо взмешивать, чтобы он из кусочка превратился в гель. Тут 15 грамм на литр я налил, что иногда бывает
многовато.
Просто он очень густой, нижняя часть перемешивается, а верхняя нет. Но с ложкой аккуратно, чтобы пропеллер не зацепить. Но...
Да, я так думал, не зацепить бы его.
Ну, я знаю, где он, поэтому... So basically you need to blend it quite a while. I think about 5 minutes or so until it became the equal mass, something like that. So basically it should be quite solid. Now it stick to skin very well. So something like that. That's it. Super simple. And we can even test it. And then you can put it in any container what will be covered from the sun, because sun is break it, and oxygen as well.